Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for stopping by the channel. I'm your host, Justin Lloyd, and today we're going to grill a ribeye and make a cream sauce to go with it. Stick around. So over my left shoulder, you'll see a Monument gas grill. That's the Mesa 400. Monument Grills reached out to me a while back and asked if I'd do a few videos for them. And this is the second installment. The first installment was the unboxing. I'll put it right there. I did not buy it. I was not asked to give a favorable review, just an honest review. So today we're gonna grill a ribeye and make a cream sauce to go with it. But let's take a look at the grill first. So this is a solid grill, 4 casters, a couple of cabinets there. Also some pretty good storage space. This also comes with a good side burner right there. And as I mentioned, this is a 4-burner stainless steel gas grill. Ignition switch on the far left. So this does have 2 grates, a warming grate at the top and your cast iron grill grates. And it does have the flame protection bars down there at the bottom that go over the burners. And if you see that hole down there, that is that's the grease trap. Now that you've seen the grill, let's go ahead and get that steak ready. We got a ribeye steak. Some blue cheese. We'll also need butter, a couple of shallots. We're going to use some Old Tub Kentucky Straight Bourbon whiskey. And we'll also need some minced garlic. Yeah, I didn't mince my own, so what? Some heavy whipping cream. Some brisket rub from Townsend Spice and Supply out of Melbourne, Arkansas. I love this rub. If you haven't tried it, I'll drop a link to their website in the description box below. Don't forget your edges. Go ahead and get our shallots ready. We got fire in the first try. We'll hit the grates with some canola oil. We'll be cooking indirect today, so I'm going to turn these 2 center burners off. And we'll leave both the burners on the ends on. Let's go ahead and shut the lid. So we want our temperature to reach about 400 degrees. Grill's up to temp. Let's put our steak in the middle for indirect grilling. Shut our lid. Hey, look, there's a steak in there. And we'll go ahead and use our handy dandy thermometer to monitor temperatures in that steak in the center. And once that steak reaches about 115, we'll go ahead and pull it and rest it, and then we'll sear it later. Let's go ahead and make our blue cheese steak sauce. Got a good flame going. It's light outside, so you can't really see it. All right, let's get our butter in there. Turn that down a little bit so we don't burn the butter. It's about a medium. Okay, the steak is up to 113, so let's fire this back up and get it hot. And get that screaming hot and get that steak on there for a good sear. All right, let's grab our steak. Oh yeah. Man, that smells awesome. Oh, look at that crust. Oh, man. All right, that's good and seared, I think. Let's take a look. Yep, exactly what we want. Let's pull this off and rest it. All right, let's get our shallots on. And our garlic. Give these a stir. Man, that aroma is awesome. You get the garlic nice and hot, and it just fills up the air with awesome smells along with the shallots. Now we come in with our heavy whipping cream. Add a little more bourbon. And we're just going to set this on low and keep on stirring. Come in with some black pepper. Then we're going to hit with our blue cheese crumbles. This is going to give it that bright, rich, funky flavor. And we're going to let those incorporate nicely into the cream sauce. We'll just let this keep simmering and stirring until that gets thickened up and that cheese melts down. This is going to be a nice pan cream sauce. I can't wait to get it on that steak. And we're just on a low setting here, just letting it simmer. Starting to get to the consistency I'm looking for, but I think we have a little bit longer to go. Let's let it thicken up just a little more. We want to be sure we keep stirring because we don't want this to burn on the bottom. See that? It's starting to get thick. When I scrape the spatula along the pan and it separates the sauce and it takes a while for it to cover the pan back, you know you're getting close. All right, let's turn the burner off and let that simmer. I gotta tell you, I'm really pleased with this first cook from the Monument Grill, the Mesa 400. It's reliable and just did what it's supposed to do. To me, the side burner was very useful. We made that cream sauce with it, which we're gonna go ahead and cut into this and put that cream sauce on the steak. All right, let's see how we did. Oh man, looks amazing. Not too bad. I gotta take a bite on its own first. Dynamite. Let's take a look at this before we hit it with that cream sauce. Just perfectly cooked in my opinion. I like medium rare. You do you though. All right, here we go. All right, this looks amazing. Let's take this piece right here. Let's call my name. Let's get some of that sauce on there. My gosh, the beef is tender. You get some pepper. You get some richness from the butter and the sauce and the onions, and the bourbon comes through a little bit with that medium rare steak. All right, guys, if you're interested in the Monument Grill, I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description box below, and it's going to give you a discount if you order from that link. This was an amazing steak. I highly recommend, if you're a gas grill fan, then to go ahead and check out the Monument Grill, especially the Mesa 400. That's the one that I have and cooked on today. Absolutely amazing. Hey, if you like what we're doing here at Casks-n-Que, go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell. It's going to help us out a lot. It's going to help us grow, and we certainly appreciate it. Hey, thanks for sticking around. We'll see you next time.